remedy. Lay your hands upon me, all of me. Say you will forever come to me. Remedy, sanity. Lay your spark upon me, all of me.
Wow, oh mein Gott. Und? Kommt ganz so gut rüber.
So you live in between. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break. While the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, hello, hello. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, 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 yeah. Don't forget the time to tell you. Hello, 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 yeah. Hello, yeah. No wonder you got a pure heart. You ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling right? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble?
Good morning, guys. Such a beautiful day today. So today I want to quickly talk about 80-10-10 because today I will be counting my macros. Not the real 80-10-10 for that matter, but more like focusing on 80% carbohydrates, 10% fat, 10% protein, because I'm eating so much fat and I really want to reduce it. And then when I'm incorporating those heavy foods, these high density foods, I feel so dense and so heavy, and I just want to eat fruit and something sweet and something watery. Lately I've been watching a lot of Freely's videos. Freely's so great. I really enjoy watching her videos. Although she's a little bit controversial, I really enjoy her videos. I really want to get more into eating raw, but not fully raw, because I love cooked foods. So the rest of the month will probably be a lot healthier and more whole foods, because I really struggle eating whole foods because I don't have a lot of commitment power. If I'm being honest, I struggle to commit to things a lot. So that's the plan for now. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and I see you at breakfast.
Infatuated life.